Good morning, Candace Carter. Thoughts to go, Monday morning, 7 a.m. What you see is not me this time, it's my studio. First, I'm showing you where I work. If I film, I'm sitting at a chair and using my telephone on this little tripod. And these are my notes that I work with. So I'm going to go around the table and show you some of the stuff that's in my room. This is close to a window. You can see that we artists have feelings for sometimes things that other people would say, why do you need that? For example, this doll didn't have any hair. So when my little girl next door came over, we made her some hair. And we made her some shoes out of gold paint. And there's just a lot of things here that a lot of people would consider pretty crazy. But we use them, we need them. And I suggest that sometimes you maybe don't just, ditch everything too fast. You might use it for something else. So this is another row of paintings. Sometime or other I might talk about them. If you go up, you'll see older pieces of mine. This is the way I started in the academy. There's a woman, a big woman. She's hard to, I have to keep this on the side. You're supposed to photograph this way. So anyway, so now I'm going down. This is the big cupboard that I keep my paintings in. Now I'm going to move here so we don't get too much light. Move back over here. This is another table on the window. And at the window you can see stuff that everybody considers are important for artists. Paint, brushes, etc., etc. So now I'm moving up to my skeleton piano. Up this wall to a painting of my mother. Then we'll move over here. You know this background because I use it a lot when I am giving my little talks. Now, this is going to be not enough time to take you all the way around, so I will continue this next week. I will make 2 little films about this, and I hope you have enjoyed seeing my studio, and we'll come back. See you next week. Bye-bye.